Did you know that a staggering 95% of diets fail? Yes, you read that right. Almost every single person who starts a diet with high hopes and fierce determination ends up right back where they started, or sometimes even heavier. It's a gut-wrenching cycle of hope, deprivation, disappointment that leaves you feeling defeated and questioning your own willpower. But what if I told you it's not your fault? The problem isn't your dedication, it's the flawed, outdated rules you've been forced to follow. These modern diet myths are designed to fail, keeping you trapped in a loop of buying new plans and products that only address the symptoms, never the root cause of your weight loss plateau. You cut out carbs, you starve yourself with tiny portions, you say no to your mother's delicious home-cooked meals. The truth is, your body is an incredibly intelligent system. It doesn't respond to punishment, it responds to nourishment, respect, and common sense. We are here today to dismantle that lie piece by painful piece. Food is not your enemy, it is your oldest and most reliable ally. It is the very source of life, energy, joy. When you start a restrictive diet, you declare war on your own body. You send it a signal of scarcity, and it responds by slowing down your metabolism. This is why you hit that dreaded weight loss plateau. So let's make a pact today. Let's throw out the rule book that has been failing us for decades. Let's stop counting every single calorie and start listening to our bodies again. True, sustainable fat loss isn't about deprivation. It's about intelligence. It's about understanding the simple, timeless principles of eating that our grandparents knew instinctively. It's time to unlearn the toxic habits and fat-burning mistakes that have been holding you hostage. Your journey doesn't start with a fancy diet plan, it starts with knowledge and a change in perspective. Are you ready to begin? The first and most common mistake is demonizing entire food groups, especially our beloved carbohydrates. You've been told that rice is the devil, right? You've been told that roti is the devil, right? You've been told that potatoes are the devil, right? Your body and especially your brain runs on glucose, which comes from carbs. When you drastically cut them out, you're running your body on low-grade fuel, and your cravings for sugary, processed junk go through the roof. The second mistake is ignoring the power of traditional fats. We've been brainwashed into choosing low-fat everything, from yogurt to salad dressing. But here's the secret. Your body needs good fats to burn fat. Healthy fats like those found in ghee, coconut, and peanuts are essential for hormone production and keeping you satisfied. When you eat healthy fat, you stay satiated for hours. Fat-free meals leave you hungry in an hour. Mistake number 3 is the obsession with portion control over food quality. You measure out tiny cups of healthy cereal, but that cereal is loaded with sugar. You'd be better off eating satisfying poha or upma, made with fresh ingredients. It's not about quantity alone, it's about nutritional value and density. 200 calories of processed granola bar versus 200 calories of nuts. One spikes blood sugar, the other provides sustained energy. The fourth fatal flaw is meal timing, or rather, the lack of it. Skipping breakfast to save calories. Eating a massive dinner right before bed. Your body's digestive fire, or agni, is strongest during the day. Eating heavy meals late is like putting fuel in a parked car. That unused energy is stored as fat. Eat when the sun is up, eat light when it goes down. Let's talk about fad diets, the master illusionists of the weight loss world. Think of the keto diet, the juice cleanse, the intermittent fasting craze. They all promise rapid, almost magical results. And for the first week, they often deliver. You see the number drop, and you feel invincible. But what are you actually losing? In most cases, it's not fat, it's water weight. When you cut carbs, your body uses stored glycogen, and for every gram you shed 3 to 4 grams of water. This initial drop is deceptive, creating false success that hooks you in. These diets create extreme calorie deficits through severe restriction. A juice cleanse might only provide 800 calories a day. You'll lose weight but also muscle mass, which is metabolically active tissue. The more muscle you lose, the slower your metabolism becomes. When you inevitably quit the unsustainable diet, your sluggish metabolism gains back all the weight, often more. This rebound effect leaves you heavier and more frustrated than before. Furthermore, these fad diets completely ignore your culture, your lifestyle, and your body's unique needs. They are one-size-fits-all solutions imposed upon diverse individuals. An office worker in Mumbai and a farmer in America have different needs. Forcing both to follow the same rigid plan is destined for failure. Food is tied to our identity, celebrations, and comfort. When diets force you to abandon traditional foods, they create alienation. The best diet fits seamlessly into your life, not one that overhauls it. The ultimate trick these diets play is on your mind. They teach you to distrust your body's signals of hunger and satiety. You eat at specific times in specific amounts regardless of how you feel. This disconnects you from your innate wisdom. Your body knows when it's hungry and full. The goal is to relearn how to listen to internal cues. Fad diets create dependency on a plan, a book, or a guru. True health comes from empowerment and self-awareness, not blindly following trends. So, where do we go from here? How do you escape this cycle and start seeing real results? It begins with small, simple, and consistent actions. Forget the grand, sweeping changes. Your first action step is this. Start your day with a fruit or handful of soaked nuts, not with tea, not with coffee. Do this within 15 minutes of waking up. This kickstarts your metabolism, provides instant energy, prevents overeating at breakfast. It's tiny, but sets a positive tone for the entire day. Your second step is to reintroduce traditional fats into your diet. Add 1 teaspoon of ghee to your lunch and dinner. Use coconut oil for cooking. Snack on peanuts or almonds instead of reaching for biscuits. This is one of the most effective diet tips for breaking a weight loss plateau. These fats keep you full, reduce junk cravings, and provide essential nutrients. You'll notice differences in energy, skin, and even mood. It's about nourishing, not punishing. Third, focus on your meal structure. Aim to eat a wholesome, balanced meal every 2 to 3 hours. This doesn't mean eating 5 large meals. It means having proper breakfast, lunch, and dinner, with small, intelligent snacks between. A mid-morning fruit and mid-afternoon snack of yogurt or nuts will keep your blood sugar stable and metabolism firing. This prevents extreme hunger that leads to poor choices and late-night binges. Consistency is your greatest weapon against fat storage. Finally, let's bring it all together. Stop looking for the next magic pill or quick fix. The secret to sustainable weight loss is not a secret at all, it's common sense. Eat local, seasonal, and traditional foods. Move your body regularly in ways you enjoy, sleep well, and most importantly, be kind to yourself. Your body is not a math equation, it's your home. Treat it with respect, and it will reward you with health, vitality, and strength. Start with these simple steps today, and you will be on the path to losing weight for good.